Here we are in the Raptor Supercharged project car. We're going to do a little bit of 0-100 stuff, and you can see the dash, you can see that the automatic is in power, sitting in drive as well. And over here on the dash we've got two other gauges. There's our boost vacuum gauge or compound gauge, and then the intercooler temp, the real-time intercooler temp. It's on the discharge side of the cooler. Other than that, pretty much a standard VY exec, except for the Raptor Pro Street Intercooled. Okay, here we go. A little bit of a stall, then a foot off the brake.